16th of August 2026. This is the property behind beside the Home Depot over here off of Epps Bridge. This will be your first look at it. Streets have been paved. They still have one cap to go on top. From my understanding, this is going to be a senior facility, senior home facility. It says home sites. These must be going to be some reserve. These are going to be for sale though. That may not be. There may be some rental and some stuff for sale. I'm not sure. I don't know. Anybody that knows can chime in and let us know. Please like, share, and subscribe. We are trying, this channel is basically, we have a whole lot of variety of stuff, but we are trying to document things that are the way they are now for people in the future. That is our primary goal, other than trying to get this channel to a break-even point where it'll support gas and equipment, everything that we use, and we are a long way from breaking even. It is the high 70s right now, going to about 94, 97 tomorrow. Heat index up to about 110. It is 7:25. This will take us right up to the Home Depot. So it looks like there will be two entrances or exits. I think we might go ahead and get the drone out. That goes up the hill to the Home Depot right up there. I think we will get the drone out and send it up, and we'll add this video, or add the drone video to this video. This is a DJI Air 3S. Okay, let's turn this off. We'll send it up, and we will put the drone video in the middle. Okay, we got the drone footage. We're going to put it in the middle. We're going to take some still photos out of the drone video and use them for our thumbnail. We're going to another subdivision I saw the other day, a new subdivision, I think starts about 700,000 over off of 78, headed west. We'll get drone video of it as well. If there are any houses far enough along, we may walk in and do a little walkthrough of a house. And once again, as far as real estate, I am not selling, buying, listing. I'm not affiliated with real estate anymore as far as real estate. I'm not practicing any form of real estate. All of these videos, anything for real estate videos, are strictly for the YouTube channel, information, education purposes, documenting things the way they are now before they have been done, before the construction starts. This way, 15 years from now, people can come back and see what the place looked like before anything was built. So basically, we're documenting time capsule videos, and we will come back through and get stuff as it is being built. So, I say anything we do as far as real estate, I will oversee construction sites or construction job, new home building or renovation, something like that. I'll oversee that as a consultant, but other than that, I am not involved in real estate. Okay, we're going to turn this one off here in a minute. I'm not sure how long this is. We need to get it up to about 8.5 minutes so it'll have mid-roll advertisements. Like I said, we're trying to get this channel to break even, so please like, share, and subscribe. Make comments, ask questions. Any information you have on these places we go to and things we do. It's already hard to get in and out of this Home Depot up here. All that added extra traffic. But that's what I'm noticing all over, everywhere. These feeder roads, these little rural, semi-rural, right, not even rural Georgia anymore, but these agrarian, semi-rural areas. Gas is $3.79 here at the Kroger. We try to document gas prices, temperature, weather, time of day, day of the month, year, so people can reference and go back and see what things like are. I really wish I had some video of Alpharetta and North Fulton up Roswell Road and Roswell way before it was developed back in the late 60s, 70s, and 80s. But video was much more difficult back then. And see, like now with this video, you can take high resolution still photos out of these videos. So if you're looking for a particular corner, you find a video, go to that particular time frame, time mark, clip you out a photo of it. So I think this is going to be very important 15, 20 years from now for sociologists, the living patterns and travel patterns, all kind of studies that can be done with these videos and information. So we're categorizing this stuff as educational. We have video from here on 316 all of the way to Georgia 81 in Winder and back from the other day. We're going to go 316 to 78 just go Mars Hill out here. Okay, let's turn this one off. We may do Mars Hill. That's what we'll do. This will be a wrap. We get down here and turn left. Again, let you see all of this stuff. Oconee County is not my Oconee anymore, folks. I'm going to tell you that. Call it Gwinnett County, or Gwinnett County, or Oconee. I guess Gwinnett County would be a better one for it, wouldn't it? Okay, this ought to get us up to 8 minutes, so let's go ahead and turn this one off. This should be a wrap. If we need to, we'll add some stuff on it to get it to 8.5 minutes.